What's new with Empower? It's time to update to version 1.17. We've added more sounds to the phonics page in Lamp Words for Life and Unity. Let's see what that looks like. To find the phonics page in Lamp Words for Life, go to the blue Spelling and Number button, and then the Phonics button. Russell Cross will tell us how to find the phonics page in Unity vocabularies and more about this exciting new update.
The new phonics page is found by selecting the Pages button and then the button for phonics. Note that in this version there's no word families button here as there was in New Voice. With the phonics page here, the first thing you'll notice is that we've added some new digraphs, and we've added 5 of the most common ones that you'll find in the phonics literature. Let's look at some examples.
P,
Shop. This. What?
Where we used to have word families, we've now got show endings. And if you click on show endings, you'll see that we have a selection of some typical endings to words.
L, up, ed.
Another new feature is this show blends, and here we've chosen a set of common blends that are used in spelling.
Bread.
With 60 locations, you'll see that we have a basic phonics page here with sounds, with digraphs, and with vowels.
Bad.
But when we switch to endings, there are just a few less to choose from than with 84. And when we go to show blends, we haven't got the single vowels, but we do have the endings. And finally, when we look at the 45 locations, we also have new phonics, we have the digraphs, and we have endings.
Ache, eight,
and blends.
Ache, ought, up.
Thanks, Russell. Make sure to update your Empower software. To learn more about Empower, check out other videos on this YouTube channel and e-learning and live courses on our new online platform, AAC Learning Journey.